Demolition day, one of my favorite things in the world. Let's go get at it because I'm about as ready as I'm gonna get. Demolition day, finally. Took out all of the carpets. Dirty, stinky. Oh, it was horrible. Good job. Totally taking out the wall. This was my favorite part. A little tentative at first, but I get the hang of it. I just tore it out. Tried not to hurt everything as I worked, but those walls were coming down. Pulled out an axe that I found at the cabin. That helped a lot with the wall. A lot of little pieces and parts to take down. So if you decide to take your wall down, just remember, it's one thing at a time. Start with the trim, get the pieces of wood. After that, there were a lot of studs and wires to deal with. It wasn't impossible. Got it done. I did have to be careful. I wish I just kicked my foot through it. But these things were put on with so many staples. They were about 3 inches long. Doesn't that look better? This wall was tricky. I had to take it out one piece at a time. And then I was left with a wall of wood today. We've made more of a mess of the kitchen because we had to move everything out of the way, and I'll show you what we did. So, it doesn't look like we did anything, but we tore that this side of the wall out. And I don't know if you remember this weird round kitchen-y island thing. It's gone. And I want an island there, and pot lights, not, or I guess they're called puck lights. Anyway. No, but I think it's glass and everything. So the door jam's all off. I got the top part gone. That's wires are gonna have to move, of course. And I got this all coming off and ran into moving things. So I need a saw so I can cut a way for this to go through. And of course, that's right where the doorbell is. This wall needs to come off to right about here. And of course, that's where the doorbell is, and that's where that is. I want this all open so that when you come in, you can actually just see cute, hopefully cute, right? Stuff. This is for fire prevention. Now this is the wall I could not take down by myself, and I tried. Jay makes short work of it though.
Oh, now I'm gonna hurt myself.
Wow. Isn't that amazing?
Is it done?
It looks pretty almost all the way off. Yeah.
I'm gonna knock that light down.
Oh, that is beautiful. We've straightened up the fridge. It used to be right in that little corner right there. So we've straightened it so we'll be able to see all of the kitchen area, and right here is the dining area. So that's a long living room area. So it goes from there. This will be an island right here. Today we had a special helper, Laura. Oh, you can't even see her.
It's because I'm an angel.
Laura. All in the dark. Okay, what did we do today? We ripped down the cupboards that used to be here, but the ones on the bottom are still there. So ripped all these out. Part of the stove top. I couldn't figure out how to unplug it, so still plugged in. We'll get it figured out. Some of the doors off. So top half is mostly gone. I'm glad we're throwing it away and I don't have to clean it. It's gross. So anyway. And that stays. I'm just gonna paint it. Oh, and my hand is shaking. I'm so tired. Oh my goodness. So we cleaned up a lot of stuff and dishes, crazy stuff. And right now, we moved all of our tools that we're using to work, and everything we're using to renovate this house is right there right now. We'll need more stuff when we, I don't know, do tile or flooring, whatever, but right now that's it. And we're just ripping out, and then we'll have to put new kitchen in, right? That'll be awesome. I am so excited. And the bad smell's leaving because all the bad stuff is leaving, so that's what we did today. So tired, but it's coming along. Happy. So we got a lot of it underneath. The uppers are gone. And down below, we found some mouse parties happening down here. It's kind of a little scary. It smelled a lot like smoke, so.
Here, want to get down on the floor? I'll lift this up.
Oh, so we can see under there. Ah, that's the mouse party, and there's candy wrappers too. They hid their candy wrappers away from us all, so yeah, ew. And what else? Oh, so this cupboard is gone. Lower and upper and all cleaned off. And then we don't know whether we're gonna putty and paint or 1/4-inch sheetrock, and then, you know, that route. So still have these to take down, but it's getting there, right? Nice and open at least, so. This is the first time we laid eyes on the kitchen. Look at that stack of carpets underneath. And on this day, so much gone, so much clean. The entryway the first time we saw it. And the entryway, so much better. The front porch, at the beginning, but not the first time we saw it. And finally, better. And Jay needed a new car, so he got a new truck. Why not? Dadgum, it's coming along, isn't it? I think you can do this too. So, in the meantime, stay tuned for more reno and rebuild. Like and subscribe. Turn on notifications if you want to know when the next video is coming out. And don't forget, keep your powder dry. Thanks for watching.